Things are about to get absolutely crazy if you are holding XRP. Let me know at which price you bought XRP in the comments below. But we are just a couple of days away from a possible judgment to Judge Torres regarding the SEC and Ripple, this lawsuit. And we also are supposed to have some type of hidden meeting, settlement talks with the SEC and Ripple on August 1st, I believe. So just a couple of days away, or possibly hours. There could be some type of judgment by Judge Torres any moment now. So Judge Torres is not necessarily waiting for this meeting, which may or may not happen. So it's a possible leak. But this week is going to be especially volatile, especially the 31st, which is this Wednesday. And at 2 p.m. Eastern time, the Fed is going to come out with their statement, the press conference, and they're also going to be announcing their federal funds rate, to what they are projecting interest rates to be, whether they're going to be cutting rates, whether they're going to be raising rates, whether they are going to be keeping rates the same. And they're also, during the press conference, going to be talking about their future plans with the recent inflation data, which has showed inflation coming down quite rapidly, which is something very, very bullish for cryptocurrencies and for stocks and for everything in general. What I am particularly expecting is that the Fed, they are going to announce that they are likely to cut rates in September. I think the market is going to be very bullish as a reaction to that, and things could get really, really crazy, very bullish this week for all cryptocurrencies. And yes, it will affect XRP because XRP is a part of the crypto ecosystem. But let me go ahead and show you what is going on with the crypto charts. So today, as soon as the stock market opened, we have seen about a 5% correction for Bitcoin. The reason for this is because Bitcoin and cryptos have been hyped up this past weekend, which I told you all would be a likely pump. Cryptos pumped very big this weekend based on Donald Trump's speech at the Bitcoin conference. So the market was very hyped. The market pumped up a lot on the weekends. And whenever you see a constant pump from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, expect there to be profit taking and selling on Monday. That's typically, as a day trader, what I expect. And in the Patreon this morning, I told people that were long in Ethereum, that long the very bottom of Ethereum over here. This past week, we made insane profits this weekend. I told them to take profits here, which we did end up crashing, pulling back in the crypto market. But the funny thing is, most cryptos are in the red today, while XRP hasn't even budged. So XRP is still trading at 60 cents. So in the very short term, based on technical analysis, a small pullback, if cryptos pull back this week for XRP down to like 55 cents, 52 cents, that would not be out of the ordinary. But something quite interesting is taking place for XRP. If we actually look at it here, is we see a massive pump up, but every single pullback has been brought back up to this 60 cent range, which is very bullish. And essentially what this is a bull flag. So XRP is holding very tightly. And whenever we are in a bullish market environment and you see the price coiling up very, very tightly, it shows that a very big move is about to take place. And the way when you look at charting, it's very similar to physics. Whenever something gets compressed and doesn't move and there's not much volatility, there's going to be an expansion whenever that spring is loosened. And I'm expecting that this expansion is going to be to the upside, with likely bullish news about to take place this week. So the first targets on a technical level, despite any possible settlement talks, despite any type of judgment, if that weren't to happen, if just to be completely normal, what I would be expecting for XRP is I would expect a move very soon up to the 75 cent region. Every single time XRP has come to this level, we've rejected and come all the way back down to the 40 cent region, 40 cents, 38 cents, 41 cents. And as you can see, we've corrected every single time. But for the third time here, I think XRP is actually going to break above this level, and that we're going to hold above this level, consolidate maybe for a short period of time or however long, and that this is going to be turned into support. So it's currently resistance, which means every single time we come here, there's a lot of sellers. That's what pushes price down, selling, people selling. Now, I think that this area is going to be an area of value for people and investors to want to buy, so that they are no longer going to be selling here, but they are going to be buying, which will turn this into support. And I think that the next target for XRP to reach, with this next leg up, with all the hype and everything coming around here, and even with just the bull market, without any of this settlement talks, without any of this bullish litigation news, I would expect XRP to come up and test 93 cents very, very soon. From our current level, we're only about a 50% move away. So that's basically 225% pumps. And that could be all the way back, brought back to nearly $1, 93, 94 cents. Once we come to this level, if we see XRP holding very strongly and not just immediately rejecting 10, 20% very quickly, that's going to be a sign that we are going to be going much higher. And I would expect XRP to take out this $2 resistance. Essentially, it's just about $2. So I would expect XRP in the bull market, without any of this bullish news and catalyst taking place, for us in this bull market to reach at least $2. And that would be if Bitcoin reaches about $92,000 to $120,000. So if Bitcoin is in that type of trajectory, moving up like that, I would expect XRP to be around $2, which from our current level, so if you buy right now, you're going to be looking at about a 2.5x. So if you're going to be looking at some serious profits there. So about a 2.5x, that's something that I think XRP will easily do. Now, with all of this bullish news that is taking place, all of this adoption taking place for XRP, what I would really expect along with this current bull run is not only this $2 level to be reached, but I think that this bull run, we will easily see, in my opinion, that we're going to see a new all-time high, which is $3.50, give or take. I think that we're going to see an all-time high this bull market with all of these bullish catalysts for XRP. Some people are calling for a $500 XRP. Some people are calling crazy, absurd price predictions. Let me know if they're crazy in the comments below. But there is a possibility based on some of the things that these people are talking about that it's just getting adopted by all these institutions. All these banks are using it. They're switching over to the Ripple network. All these things. I think that we could see those types of price predictions, those price targets being reached in the next several years if XRP is truly to replace the SWIFT system and a whole bunch of other things that these people with these crazy price predictions are talking about. That could be possible. I personally think XRP is going to surprise me. I'm a very conservative guy. I don't like to give out crazy price predictions. Oh, it's going to go to $100. Oh, it's going to do this. I think it could reach $100 in the next 3 to 5 years. But some of these people are expecting it to happen much, much sooner than that, and potentially even this year, next year, things like that. That doesn't necessarily comprehend to my mind, but I do understand how it could take place. And that's why I'm very happy to hold XRP at these current levels, because of the possibility of it reaching some crazy price targets, which if it were to reach some of these price targets, I would have hundreds of millions of dollars, which would be amazing. And the same people that bought Bitcoin many, many years ago before it's been adopted to its current level, yes, they bought Bitcoin and they said, yes, if I buy 100,000 or if I buy so much money, I'm going to have hundreds of millions of dollars. Those people now have hundreds of millions of dollars, tens of millions of dollars from their small investments, which they've held for many, many years. So XRP will take many years, but it might be sooner and quicker than what we all think. Remember, nothing in this video, of course, is financial advice. These are all just my own opinions. I'm personally expecting XRP to reach $3 to $7 within the next 2 years. I really hope it goes way higher than that, because that means I will have a lot more money. Now, make sure you guys are in my Patreon, where I'm telling you guys exactly when I'm buying and selling coins, my constant market updates. We get meme coins a lot that are making insane profits. If you guys want to have access to that during this bull market, join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description as well. What's really going to help you all make a lot of money is you need to be using my Algosniper trading indicator, which will give you exact buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies. Look at this. On the 8-hour time frame for XRP, which is quite a volatile coin, we got a buy alert at 40 cents. After that, it has sprung all the way up to nearly 64 cents. So if you'd have bought around this level here, you would have made about 40% in just a matter of less than 2 weeks. You guys can try Algosniper today for $1 at algosniper.com. You will first need to have a TradingView account, which is free. It's where you'll be able to chart. Then you will add the indicator. The instructions are on the website. I highly suggest that you watch the trading video on the website. If you guys want to be trading cryptos, I highly suggest that you also are using Blovin. It's in the video description, where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. But most importantly, you're going to have the cheapest fees on the internet on any trading platform in the world by using my link below. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.